Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button. Don't press the button. Okay, so let's play. Okay. Uh-oh, the button's on fire. Quick, get a fire extinguisher before the button explodes. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Get the fire extinguisher. Okay. No, we all died. Everyone, press the button. Oh, press the button. I'm pressing it. Bubble wrap. Okay, so we're just popping it. Yeah. Everyone is playing with the bubble wrap. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I can collect this coin. Okay. The zombie is coming! Oh no! The zombie! I have to make this. No! We didn't make it. I'm gonna press the button. Boop! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Someone! Oh no! He has a sword! He has a sword. 5, 4. Okay. Gonna press the button. Okay. I don't have the hot potato. Good. Okay, he just died. What next? What next? What before anyone else dies? La. Oh, he got the diamond. Good job. Okay, I gotta stay away from red platforms. Oh my god! What's this? Yo, I made it. Yo, I made it. Yo, okay. No, I did not make it. She's not stopping. This girl is good. This girl is pretty good at doing this. Oh. No one survived. Okay. Survive the lava spinner. No. Yeah. Oh my god. How fast is this gonna get? I'm trying to survive it. I'm trying to. Oh no! I did not make it. No. She's rocking it. She's really doing it. She was the only one that survived. I'm gonna go press the button now. Boop. Oh. Finish the obby. Okay, I will finish the obby. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. Man. Aw, I didn't make it. Collect. Okay, just needed to collect that coin. This obby is gonna be pretty short. Okay, I'm going over here. Trying to finish. No, I almost made it. Okay, I'm gonna press the button now. Beep. What are we gonna do? I'm going to the blue one. Let's see if the blue one would do it. Okay, I got to one of the corners. The blue one. I finished the obby and I'm... Okay, I'm going to the yellow one this time. Yellow! Yo, I'm over here. No! Okay. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, he did it. Great job on surviving. Okay. Press it. Okay, what are we gonna do? A mysterious leaf. Pull it. Okay, it's a mysterious leaf. Uh-oh. No! Oh my god. Now that was an epic cutscene. Pressing it. Okay, I just pressed it. Now boulders are coming. Right here's where... Oh, I did it! Okay, just need to collect the diamond. Okay, so now I press it. I'm just going around. I'm going around the maze. Just gonna go around this maze. Who is silly 1535? I am not gonna follow anyone because they might be a seeker. Okay. Oh no. There she is. Oh no. This better not be a freaking dead end. Okay, I'm just going around these corners. Yo, I survived! I survived the maze. Yoo! Plus 5 coins. Okay, just press the button. Oh, wow. Push it out of the base plate! No. You're not. Yo, we did it! Yeah, the bomb got pushed off. Okay, just press it. What are we gonna get? Blow! I am currently the highest. Okay. I am clicking it. I'm clicking it. Yo. Okay, I got the 40. Cowboy Kitchen won with 40 points. Yeah. Okay, just press it. Okay. What are we doing? Get ready to sword fight. Oh no. Begin. I'm in front of you. Oh. Give it to me. No. Seriously? No, he... Oh my god. Oh god. He's like, I'm gonna get you. He's like, no. Don't get me. Okay. I thought I would be the only one to survive. Yeah, there. Whack. No! Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Quick, quick, quick. No! Stop it! Don't you dare try and get me. No! No, no, no. I am not getting this. I am not doing it. Stop, 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 stop. No, no, stop it. Stop it. Stop, stop it. Please, please, please stop. Please stop. Yo, I did it. Oh, I won? I won. I won. Whew. What is this? Oh, the house exploded. Okay, just press the button. Okay, okay. Double the coins. Oh, we're going in. Yo, it's this one. Okay, well, let's go. Let's go. This is gonna be the last one. Oh my god. We're jumping in. The mini game. Yo, this is so fun. Yeah. Ah. Okay. Now I got poop on my head. Disgusting. No, I tried to do it. Okay, bye guys. So that was it. Dodge. Yeah, that was it. Bye. We just got doged. We got doged. I think we'll do one more. Just one more. One tiny little one. No, Doge! No, Doge! But what is going on? Do not push the Doge off this base plate. We are gonna keep the Doge! The Doji dog. Doji dog. Do not throw it off the edge. Do not throw it off the edge. Do not throw it off the edge. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare throw that thing off the edge. Don't you dare throw Doge off the edge. Ooh, oh, we kept Doge. Good. Okay. No! Yeah. No! Okay, not much people can cross the road easily. Just doing that. You're seriously just sitting there, doing nothing. Go and cross the road. Will this even work? Oh, she's gonna cross. No one crossed the road. Okay. Bye. Okay, so that was it. That was it. That was it. Oh, so do we? Okay, that's it now. Bye.